Hi guys, welcome to another video. This is so exciting. If this isn't the most stunning bag in my collection, it's definitely up there. Honestly, I cannot tell you how amazing this bag is. Anyway, let's get going. So guys, I have finished all my unboxings from New York and I thought that was it for a while. That should have been it for a while. However, this came up and I could not and did not let the opportunity go. And whether I should be reining myself in, I will probably have to for a long time now. We will see. But this is a very special bag, and you might actually recognise it. It might be... Anyway, shall we get it open and then I can tell you all about it. So it is pre-loved, and it is by far the most special pre-loved bag that I've even ever looked at. But the only way to get this bag was to go pre-loved. Anyway, let's get it open. So it is in this box, and hopefully this is going to come up. This is from, it's actually, you can see that it's from Cellier Knightsbridge. So they are a consignment reseller and they are based in Knightsbridge in London. And I have to say, all my interactions with them have been amazing. Anyway, let's get into it. So you can see it's beautifully packaged. It is beautifully packaged. And there's a little note saying thank you for your order and all of that. And then it comes beautifully wrapped. And then I'm just going to show you. It is in here. Now I have opened this and I have checked it over because, yeah, I just had to check it over. So I'm just going to get rid of the box. And this is the box that it comes in. And I did hint to you guys, I did tell you that it was Chanel. And the box is actually, yeah, the box it came in was very large compared to the actual bag itself. So that might have thrown a few people off when I asked you to guess. But now you can see the size of the box. I don't know if that changes anything. But anyway, let's get into it. This is just so special. I cannot even explain how special this is. So here we go. So it is in the dust bag, and what do you think is in here? You can probably tell from the size of the bag. This is, honestly, I'm all over the place. Just gone silent. Does anybody recognise this bag? I adore this so much, honestly. I just need to take a minute to actually have a look at this because it is so spectacular, honestly. And I cannot believe that I own this. I cannot believe it. So let me introduce you to, this is the Chanel Mini, and it's from, I think it's from fall winter. I don't even know the collections. I don't understand any of it. But I think it came out late last year. And this is, I think it's just classed as the black sequin because it's got a black background. Does anybody recognise this bag? So you may have seen this. You may see a couple of my friends have this bag. So I am 100% influenced by them and completely copied them. Completely copied. So when Amelie from Amelie Rose's Closet opened this on her channel, I was like, oh my goodness. Now, myself and Amelia, although we are super good friends, we don't always share the exact same taste in bags, which is probably a good thing. However, when she opened this was, oh my goodness, I would love that bag, because it is blingy and it is sparkly, but it is my sort of version of that. It's not subdued. I know it's not subdued, but I think because it's got the darker background to it, it just makes the colours pop. And I just thought I could really rock that. I really felt that could be a bag for me. I've always loved a couple of other Amelia Rose bags. Her teal mini, her red speedy. There's been quite a few, but the minute she unboxed this, that's my favourite of all your collection. That's my favourite. And then she brought it to New York. So I actually saw it in the flesh for the first time. And I thought, oh yes, it's even nicer than it looks on film or on photos. And honestly, the camera does not do this justice. It is absolutely stunning. It is stunning. And then when we're in New York, my other very good friend Meredith, she found this in Fashion File, and when she was looking at it, I thought, I do love that bag. I do love that bag. Yeah, it never entered my head that I was going to buy one. I just again was looking from afar and thinking, yes, it's beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. And so thrilled for Meredith to get that bag. And obviously she has unboxed that bag now. So yeah, Amelia and Meredith were twinning. And then this popped up on Cellier, and I just thought, I want to be a triplet. And I just messaged both of them and said, can I join the club, please? And this is what I love about this community. Nobody's bothered about anybody else having the same bag. We all encourage each other to buy what we love, and if it happens to be the same one, we think that's brilliant. Nobody thinks, oh, that's mine, you can't have it, or you can't have the same. It's just welcoming and lovely. So I do appreciate that, because it's allowed me to buy this and become a triplet. And yes, we all do live so far apart that, yeah, we're not always going to be together wearing the same bag at the same time. So not that I would care. I wouldn't care at all, but yeah, I think it's amazing. Anyway, what do we think? I'll give you a full tour of it. So it's got more of like a ruthenium hardware. And then the side and then the back, it's just spectacular. I can't stop looking at the viewfinder because it is just so beautiful. And then let's get into it. So it's just got the black leather interior. It's got a care card, and it's got it's like all the other minis. It's got a zipper and a slip pocket, and other than that it's got the chip there, and other than that it's all just leather lined. So the chain length on this is very similar to the Chanel mini that I've got, which is just here. So I'll just grab this and I will show you what they look like side by side, so you can see the similarities of these. And yeah, the strap drop of this is the same. So again, it's a really good crossbody length. I wish it was a smidge longer, but that's because I like to wear my crossbodies quite low, more at my hip bone. But oh, it's fabulous, isn't it? I don't know what else to say. I just literally could not say no to it. I couldn't say no to it. Anyway, more recently I have sold a few bags, and I probably will do a roundup of all of that, because I just think you guys will like to know, and that has facilitated this. So you may see a couple of bags that are sometimes up here that have disappeared. One in particular. So put in the comments, have you seen something disappear that was up there? Or up there or somewhere. Anyway, let me know what you think I've sold. And also a little bit of a guessing game. I actually sold it to one of my friends. So who do you think I sold it to, and which bag do you think it is? I'm going to do some mod shots, and I'm really weird about mod shots, but I'm going to try my best, and I'm going to show you what this looks like on me. What do you think, guys? Is this my most special bag that I own. It's got to be up there, hasn't it? It's got to be up there. And Amelia has assured me that this is a lot easier to style than you might think. Even though it's very special, it's very blingy, it looks like it should be evening. She wore it during the day in New York and she looks incredible with it. So I do know what she means, and it's got every colour in it. Oh, I'm just trying to get the shine onto the screen because it's just beautiful. And it is tiny, tiny little sequins. So it feels really soft. It actually feels, yeah, very, very soft. It's not rough. It doesn't feel like it's going to click your clothes or catch on anything. It doesn't feel like that at all. It feels really, really soft. So one last look at this baby. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think. Did you guess? I'm not sure if you would have. Don't you think it looks great just with the top I'm wearing today? Anyway, this is from Hobbs, by the way. I haven't bought anything from Hobbs forever, and they've got quite a few really good things in. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another one